Hi guys, we are going to Toys R Us to look for Jolly Bumble Blast. I saw the Skylander boy and girl and Skylander dad find Jolly Bumble Blast at GameStop, but we're going to Toys R Us. See if they have them there. So I'm out here at my house. Here it is. Be cool, huh? Anyway, let's go. I can get a teleport. Okay, I teleported here. We're here at Toys R Us. Or, wait. Yeah, Toys R Us. My second shopping Skylander hunting video. Hello, kid. It is gone. Is Xbox One now. People are not gonna get this.
It's gonna be in the back.
Well, we'll see what they have here first. We have glow-in-the-dark chips for rattlesnake. They have glow-in-the-dark chip rattlesnake, Mommy. Look, they have glow-in-the-dark chip for rattlesnake. Okay. No. It's just an exclusive. They have a lot of Lycor Hex figures in here. I guess it's really in right now. Let's see what they have in. Here's what they had in this. Legendary Free Ranger.
Okay. Legendary Free Ranger, and that's it right now.
There's a legendary Zulu, but I don't think it's in this.
Okay.
Let's see at the next Skylander aisle.
이거는 뭐 스페이스 뭐 한 번 나온다고 해서 뭐.
See if we can find Jolly Bumble Blast. Okay, so here we are. Oh, they have a regular version.
I'm pretty sure that's there.
Here's Lycor Legendary Free. Where's Lycor Legendary?
Oh, where is it?
Lycor Legendary Grim Creeper.
Oh,
Okay.
Where are you?
Are you gonna be here?
Yeah.
I'm still trying to find for legendary Grim Creepers.
You gotta take the other one off first. Well,
It's
take the
just-
other one off.
Can't find for legendary. Tell me if you can find.
Well, we'll hold on to take
Put in the comments below if you can find for legendary Grim Creeper. Because I cannot find them in here. Let me see. Oh, it has a pumpkin eyeball. Oh, I already have him. These are all just Spyro's Adventure. I don't think they even have Jolly Bumble Blast anymore.
Uh-oh.
It broke.
Look at Disney Infinity, all gone.
See, you didn't have it on your list. Your thing, you should have wrote it on there. You would have wrote it on there, it would have got.
Leave it alone, babe. Come on, Lena.
Stop your video. There's nothing going on.
I already have these two.
That's true.
Well, I'll see you guys later. There's nothing really going on. Bye. Jolly Bubble Blast! We found him at Target. We couldn't find him at Toys R Us. But we found him at Target. Yay! Get a closer look at him when I get to my house and do an unboxing video of him. So, I'm going to teleport this car all the way over to my house. Unboxing time! Woo woo! Okay, now let's start with Legendary Zulu. We're at Toys R Us. Here's the back. Here it is. The cape is pretty awesome. It's like cool. I think I might keep this part. And then here's the card. Next up, Legendary Free Ranger. Wait, I'm gonna do. Okay, so here's the regular zoo and the legendary zoo. Here is our legendary free ranger. Here is legendary free ranger's card. Now let's swap these two. I'm gonna go get my legendary night shift. You know what? Never mind. Yes? I'm doing my unboxing video. I only have one more. And last but not least, Jolly Bubble Blast. Ho, 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 ho! Jolly Bubble Blast. He is Christmassy. Here is his card. What's this all? Here are the 3 figures I got. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys next time. Bye.